Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log out of your Chamet account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Chamet application. Click on your profile in the bottom right corner. Here tap on Settings option. And here you can see the logout option. Tap on it. And if you're sure, tap on OK button. So that is how you can log out of your Chamet account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.